Give me five, 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 five. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video in Give Me Five Bilingual Learning. Today I'm going to show you how a lesson plan that includes senses and academic objectives looks like. I have my materials here. In this little container I have ice. This container is an empty applesauce, so you can recycle anything at home and not necessarily go purchase them. Inside the ice, I have a little piece of paper with my academic objective. You can write a side word, a number, or even a division problem. We have paints. I prefer washable paints, non-toxic. And I have some spices here because I'm going to add to these paints, which stimulates the touch sense. I'm going to add spices for the sense of smell. So I have vanilla essence, I have all seasoning for meat, and pumpkin spice, and pumpkin spice. Also, these are some hard boiled eggs because on the shell I'm going to write my academic objective. It could be a side word, a number, or anything else more complicated, perhaps for kids that are in upper graders. What these eggs are going to do for us is that the kids have to peel it off and they're going to work on their fine motor skills. These spoons we are going to use to hammer the ice, so it's also found in the house. You don't have to go buy a hammer. You can use a hammer toy or any other tool that you can find at home. And these black papers here, I'm going to write my academic objective, and the kids have to paint it with their fingers, and they're going to glue the shelf on the word or the number that you write on here. I have on this paper here, this is like a maze or like a little trail, and it has mathematical problems. It has multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. It's really fun, and the kids are going to enjoy getting to the end of this little trail.